In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import sections or the entire notebook in OneNote. If you want to back up your notes, move a notebook to another device, or share a full notebook in a format that OneNote can recognize, this process is very useful. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on exporting a notebook using the OneNote desktop app, which is the option you'll typically need when preparing a notebook for transfer or later import. To get started, open your page in the OneNote desktop application. Make sure you're using the installed desktop version of OneNote, since export options can be more limited in the web version. Once your notebook is open, you can begin from any page inside it. The important thing is that the notebook you want to export is currently available in the app. Next, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This will take you out of the normal note editing view and into the settings and management area for your notebook. If you haven't used this section much before, don't worry. This is where OneNote keeps options for sharing, exporting, and account-related settings. From the menu on the left-hand side, choose Export. This section allows you to decide exactly what you want to save out of OneNote and in what format. It's a good idea to pause here for a moment and make sure you're selecting the right export type, especially if you're working with a large notebook. Now click Notebook. This tells OneNote that you want to export the entire notebook rather than just a single page or section. If your goal is to preserve the full structure of your notes, including all sections and pages, this is the correct choice. After that, choose OneNote Package as the format. This format is especially helpful because it bundles the notebook into a file type that OneNote can work with later, including for importing on another system. It's the best option if you want to keep everything together in one portable file. Once that's selected, click Export. OneNote will then prompt you to choose where to save the exported file on your computer. Pick a location that's easy to find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated backup folder. Depending on the size of your notebook, the export may take a few moments to complete. And that's it. Your notebook is now exported and ready to be stored, transferred, or imported when needed. If you're organizing important notes, it's a smart habit to keep a backup copy of your notebook package in a safe location so you can access it again anytime.